we have. Now we are celebrating the freedom, and we must know what is the freedom of speech, what is freedom of thought and action. You should know it and execute it as per the regulation. Ladies and gentlemen, we must remember on this auspicious occasion the immense sacrifice of millions of freedom fighters, millions, maybe billions of freedom fighters who brought us see this day. Non-violent movement of Mahatma Gandhi, the fearless revolutionary like Alluri Sitaram Raju and Subhash Chandra Bose who took up the arms. They inspire us. Today is the day we must rededicate ourselves to their thoughts and their ideals. That is it. And let's hope this tricolor would fly forever, always. Please repeat with me. Bharat Mata ki! Bharat Mata ki! Bharat Mata ki! Vande! 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 Jai Hind.